Never
All
know.
right, thank you, Narelle. The largest creature ever to roam the Earth has arrived in London. It's been a long journey, so no surprise it was fossilised by the time it got there.
But when it was at its best, the Titanosaur stood tall, 14 metres high, 37 long. ITV's Nick Wallace reports.
Even in the dinosaur world, it's a bit of a big deal. And now a full-size cast of Argentina's Patago Titan skeleton has made the epic journey to London to inspire and educate a new generation of visitors.
I think the first thing everyone experiences when they come into this space is they go, oh my gosh, it's so big, and that sense of awe and wonder at the scale of what the natural world can produce is incredible. We know loads of people love dinosaurs, and they're a great way into learning about things like evolution, adaptations, those sorts of topics that help us understand the natural world today.
The fossilised remains of the beast were discovered when a rancher in Argentina's Patagonia region, hence Patago Titan's name, found himself staring at a single bone as big as he was, sticking out of the ground in the desert. Paleontologists were brought in to recover and preserve as much of the skeleton as possible. This giant herbivore walked the Earth around 100 million years ago.
So animals like this have a number of adaptations that help them to thrive at this large body size. Their legs act like huge, strong pillars to hold up that weight, powered by gigantic muscles attached to very wide, powerful hips that help keep the animal stable. In addition, we also know they have powerful hearts for pumping huge amounts of blood around the body, and very complicated, efficient lungs that would have been able to deliver oxygen even to such a large body.
The exhibition organisers hope Patago Titan's arrival will generate a renewed conversation around the Earth's surviving large creatures, as well as making the little kid in all of us look up and say, wow.